How to stand out from your competitors? How can you overcome your competition? Is this the correct mindset to get the results you want? In this video, I'll share with you 4 attitudes and a 3-step strategy that help me the most to think and see competitors not as enemies but as resources. And I'm 100% confident that all the battle dwells in your mind, on your way of thinking strategically and resourcefully. Bear with me till the end of this video because I can assure you that after watching this video till the end, you will love your competitors. My name is Max Ceco and I help you become a high-paid infopreneur by sharing my 12-year knowledge and experience helping professionals and small business owners create their personal brand online and sell information products and services. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you subscribe right now and turn the notification on. If you tap on the like button, you will contribute to spreading my message to people like you. So, thank you. Mindset number 1. What you think about yourself. I won't start talking about your competition, but the first element you have to work on is yourself. Work on yourself daily. The image of yourself is what determines your success in business and life. Keep in mind that I speak because of my experience. If you are too focused on what others are doing in life, you will not achieve any result. Start focusing on yourself first, and I'm not entirely sure if you are aware that you are unique. No one in the world is exactly like you. Your way of explaining things, your unique behavior in different situations, your smile, your way to react to situations that can happen in your life, your way to deal with people. There is no person like you in this world. Your uniqueness is your first competitive advantage you have to focus on. Based on what I have just shared with you, the competition outside of you doesn't make sense. You are competing only with yourself on a daily basis to be the better version if compared to who you were the previous day. Once again, let me repeat it. Start thinking about yourself and focus 100% on getting what you want and standing out from the external competition. Mindset number 2. Redefine the word competition. One of the best ways to give whatever you want less power is to redefine the meaning you associate with a specific thing, situation, concern, or whatever you desire. For the purpose of this video, I want to help you redefine the word competition. The question is, who really is your competitor? A competitor, from my personal perspective, does not exist. Do you know why? Because my competitor can be a colleague. A competitor can be a business partner to start a partnership business with. A competitor can be my ally since we can help each other to grow together. A competitor can allow me to introduce myself to his clients and vice versa. Listen to me. We live in a shared economy, and the relationships you develop are essential for your success. Sometimes who you know is more important than what you know and or what you do. So, start considering your competition differently to have a real opportunity to speed up your success. Mindset number 3. The battle is in your mind. I want to be completely honest with you. As always, I'm sharing these attitudes regarding your competitors because I made many mistakes in the past and sometimes I make mistakes in the present. Even if I know this mindset, I have to deal with it in my mind. Sometimes I envy my colleagues and potential partners because they are more successful than me. But let me be very clear, I'm very happy for them. And I would encourage them to reach even more success. The fact is what you think of yourself. This is the reason why the battle is not outside yourself, but inside your mind. So, when a situation like this happens, I ask myself, Max, what you can learn from people that are more successful than you? How can you establish a good relationship with them in order to grow exponentially? This is the right mindset to adopt. My suggestion is always to be humble because business is not a sprint but a marathon. If someone else is reaching different levels of success than you, It is because they are on their perfect path. We are where we are for a specific reason, and when things happen, they happen at the exact time in our life. Be open to cooperating with someone else with the correct attitude. Do not be jealous of the other's success. Instead, change your way of thinking by asking yourself, how can I do even better than this company? What can I learn from its business? Mindset number 4. Think long term. It's not the first time I share this concept, but it is very, very important for you to focus on it. Thinking long term is the only strategy that can give you a competitive advantage. Do not stay in business only to make money, and do not run a company for short-term results. When I speak to people by explaining that I'm willing to share my knowledge and experience for free on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok for the next 3 to 5 years, they think I'm crazy. But wait a moment, the best part is when I tell them no one knows me in the international market and I'm willing to give so much value without asking anything in return, even for 12 months. They think I'm totally crazy. The point is, I'm going to create my international presence, and sharing ideas with poor minds is not a great choice. I have a clear idea of where I'm directed, why, and how to monetize my knowledge and experience. It will happen at the perfect moment. Patience, humility, and commitment are required to reach a significant level of success in business and life. Till now, I have shared 4 mindsets you should master if you want to stand out from your competition. Let's switch to a 3-step strategy that works like magic, allowing you to establish a rapport with your potential business partners. Step number 1. Follow your competitors on social media. It is what I'm doing with my social media accounts. I follow different people and business owners to start understanding their voice. I mean, say, the way they spread their message, to know if they have a feeling with my way of thinking about business. If they are aligned with me, they probably have even the same target audience I'm looking for. Step number 2. Become their client. From my perspective, I choose to actively follow the business owners that resonate the most with my ideas, and I become their client. There are 2 main reasons behind this strategy. Number 1. You will understand the marketing process and how the entrepreneur delivers value to his clients. Number 2. By becoming a client, you have a sort of access pass to directly connect with the business owner. Step number 3. Establish a relationship. If you become a client, you have an excellent opportunity to establish a relationship with your potential business partner. Since you are his client, you have the chance to start an active dialogue with your potential partner, especially if you are someone able to bring results and/or you already have a social media presence. This is why it is so important to share content on social media for free. Let's do a brief recap of the 4 mindsets and 3-step strategy I've just shared. Mindset 1. What you think about yourself. Mindset 2. Redefine the word competition. Mindset number 3. The battle is in your mind. Mindset number 4. Think long term. Strategy step number 1. Follow your competitors on social media. Strategy step number 2. Become their client. Strategy step number 3. Establish a relationship. Wait a moment! I highly suggest watching a video strictly related to the content I have just shared. 5 best ways to market your small business in 2022. You can use these 5 strategies to grow practically every company globally, no matter its dimensions, and especially if you want to start a small business with no money. Watch it now!